Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to make alcohol-infused chocolate-covered strawberries. First, select fresh, firm strawberries, ensuring they are ripe but not overly soft. Next, choose your preferred alcohol, such as rum, vodka, or a liqueur, considering how its flavor will complement the chocolate and fruit. Finally, prepare your dipping chocolate, opting for a high-quality variety that melts smoothly. Now, let's infuse those berries. Begin by washing and thoroughly drying your strawberries. Any moisture can affect the chocolate. Using a syringe or dropper, carefully inject about 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of your chosen alcohol into the top of each strawberry. Place them on a tray and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, allowing the alcohol to fully permeate the fruit. Next, prepare your chocolate. Melt your high-quality chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, stirring frequently until smooth. For a professional, glossy finish, consider tempering the chocolate. Hold each infused strawberry by its stem or a skewer, then dip it completely into the melted chocolate. Gently tap off any excess chocolate before placing it on parchment paper. For the final touches, quickly add any desired garnishes, like sprinkles or chopped nuts, before the chocolate sets. Once decorated, place the chocolate-covered strawberries on parchment paper and refrigerate them for at least 30 minutes or until the chocolate is completely firm. Serve these delightful treats chilled for the best flavor and texture experience. Enjoy your homemade creation.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.